Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to get free Selenium Advanced Certification from the LambdaTest and become the Selenium Automation Testing Expert on 2025. So boost your automation testing career with the free Selenium Advanced Certification by LambdaTest and learn advanced Selenium concept, automation, framework, cross-browsing testing and real-time cloud execution. And perfect for the QA engineer, tester, and developer who wants to validate their automation expert in 2025. So what we'll learn? So advanced Selenium WebDriver concept, handling dynamic web elements, data-driven and keyword-driven framework, parallel cross-browser testing using the LambdaTest, CI/CD integration with the Jenkins and GitHub and more. So there is a certification name will be the Selenium Advanced Certification and provider will be the LambdaTest and cost will be the free and official website link is this one. So we'll go through the step-by-step process for this and perfect for the QA engineers, automation testers, software developer in the test, SDET, a student and professional looking for the upskill. So let me open this URL first. So there is a advanced level certification is there, free certification and Selenium Advanced improve your mystery in the Selenium automation testing. So this certification is ideal for the testing professional who wants to acquire advanced hands-on and knowledge in the Selenium automation testing. So you'll get a certificate like this and there your name will be there and click on the get certified. So you can log in with this detail or you can go to the sign up and you can sign up with the this and you can provide the business email address and other details will be there. So I'm going to log in with my Google account. So LambdaTest certification Selenium Advanced. So please choose your time slot of the objective test from below or 24 hours format. Okay, so I'm just checking this one for the number 29 and there is a I'm just testing this one. So you can change your time, you can reschedule as per your request. 9. Okay. My time zone will be 5:30 UTC plus 5:30 and click on submit. So there is a confirmation you want to see or you want to book the Selenium Advanced Certification slot on this. So click on submit. So continue. So we have a book and now come back in this. You can get the prerequisites, know how to Selenium automation works, and depth understand the DOM web locator in the Selenium, in depth understand the web apps or website testing with the Selenium support framework, and experience in the running cross browser testing, serial or parallel on the Selenium grid. And exam detail will be the assignment has a one round assessment and assignment 48 hours automated test scenario. 70% of the score is required to be certified. More than 70% you need to score for that. So click on get certified. An important instruction, go through this. So submit your assignment task via the Gitpod and you have created this file, YML file on the configure on the GitHub repository and you have to privately share with the LambdaTest certifications and ensure your log, video recording, screenshot, console log are enabled through the desired capability generator and submit the final solution within 36 hours of the deadline. So learning material will be this one. So in this page, try LambdaTest for the free. So you can log in with this one also and you can go for the step-by-step process. So in this video we have learned how to get free Selenium Advanced Certification by LambdaTest and become the Selenium automation expert in 2025. Step-by-step process I have shown to you for the registration and follow the process on in the video. Share this YouTube video with your friends and colleagues and help them to get certified too. For any doubts and query, please write on the YouTube video comment section. Subscribe to my channel for more certification tutorial and learning content. And don't forget to follow, like, share and comment. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.